Let's make potato bites. Mash 2 potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano powder, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, a 1/4 cup of corn flour. Mix it and make a dough. This is the easiest yet yummy snack. Take small batter and shape it round. Looks like big marbles. Finish all of batter. Add cooking oil in a pan. Slide them down. Ooh, that color. Put them out. Now that looks phenomenal. Serve it with ketchup. This is your sign to try this now. Let's make bread pizza. Take a piece of bread and spread ketchup or pizza sauce. I use tomato and chili ketchup on each slice. Add some mozzarella cheese. Top up with some onion, capsicum, and corn. Lastly, sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Take a pan and add oil or butter. Brush it off. Add your pizza slices and place some water for moisture. Cover with lid and heat up for 5 minutes. Voila! Bread pizza is ready. So cheesy and yummy. If you love pizza, do give it a try. And let me know in the comments, what do you think?
Let's make fried chicken. 1/3 cup flour. 1/3 cup rice flour. 1/4 cup corn flour. Pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. ½ teaspoon coriander powder. Oregano powder. Black pepper. Mix well. Breadcrumbs. Coating method. Flour plus milk plus flour plus milk plus breadcrumbs. Marinate your chicken overnight and boil before coating. Pour some cooking oil in pan and heat it up for 10 minutes. Fry for 10 minutes on both sides. Crispy fried chicken is ready. Crunch test. It's your sign to give it a try.